Disclaimer, everything in this video is purely hypothetical and might be created by AI. So also I do not condone any actions made after this video by the viewer. Only if you're rich, don't need to do this, but if you're broke, listen up, bro, and lock in. Enjoy the video. If you clicked on this video, you probably read the title and were interested. Well, this is the first of many videos on my channel that I'll be posting, where I'll be talking about meme coins, how to create projects, meme coins, all that, and make a ton of money out of it. So let's go from the beginning, right? I first heard of meme coins well, during summertime, and everyone was talking about it. It was all over TikTok, and a lot of like other content creators started making videos about it, and it just gained a lot of traction. So when I first started this, I was actually trading them. So I would go on Pump.Fun, Photon, on the meme scope, and I just look at the charts and buy a random coin and hope for the best, right? Hope for it to go up. But then I realized, and after watching others do it, so in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to do it step by step. So we will still be able to make money even in this sad Solana price times, right? So Solana is at 129 USD, and in the past, let's say here, when it was at its prime, it was at 250, and it's at 132. So it might not look good, but you can still make a ton of money out of it. So the first step on making a coin is actually having a way to create a coin. So I used launchtokens.fun, and you can just type it up on Google and find it, and it's pretty simple, but I'll go over it later. So the first thing you want to have in your meme coin is attention, right? So if we take a look at bigger coins here in the dexes, like for example Neka Kaida, if you click, they probably have a Twitter, okay, and Instagram. Okay, so these guys made a coin off of this first cloned red ghost wolf. I don't know what it is, but it has 8,000 likes on the post in 27 minutes. So there's bound to have a lot of attention on this. So it is a good subject. So it does have a lot of attention, right? Another way to find themes or narratives for your coins is to go on X and just scroll. For example, every time Elon Musk posts a tweet on anything, um, people make coins on it. Like whenever he's doing some goofy shit or whatever, people make coins on him and make a ton of money on the dexes. So another way might be to, if you're jobless and you scroll on Twitter, why not make a coin about a video that you saw that's getting traction? Anything like that would be a decent start. Now, the next thing we need to have is a good narrative. Now, what I mean by narrative is the actual subject. So, for example, this one is a wolf that has been cloned, and there has been a lot of news on it, like the dire wolf. I don't know if you guys have seen the dire wolf has been cloned or something in a lab, and now it's getting a lot of attention. And that narrative, so we were talking about the narrative. The wolf, it's cute. It's scientific breakthrough. I don't know. It's interesting. It has to be interesting, or it has to be relevant, right? Now the final step to making your coin is that it has to look legit, right? So for example, if we go on the Dexes, take a look at all these coins. They look horrible. Look at this photo. it's a screenshot on something. So no effort was put into that coin, and all of these, I'd say 0.5% of these coins actually migrate to the 100K market caps on Radium. And speaking about Radium, if we go on launchtokens.fun, basically what this website does is it creates a liquidity pool for your coin inside of the Radium dexes. Already, you don't have to go through Pump.Fun and all that. You don't have to graduate. So basically, when your liquidity pool goes from Pump.Fun to Radium, it's already done with this website, and it requires no coding. Only need to put your wallet into it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna put my wallet into it right now because I just got this new PC. And there we have it. It's already linked. So now what we're gonna do, creating your coin is pretty easy. All you have to do is think of a token name, token symbol, and a token image. So for the sake of the video, we're gonna look up autistic dog. Yeah, we're gonna take this image. Now I know it is low effort, but you get what I'm trying to say. This is just it's for the sake of the video, alright? Once you put the image, we're gonna write token name, autistic dog. Yeah, alright. So then just keep this the same supply, token decimals, keep it at 9. I would write a token description for this. It can be anything, just describing what your actual narrative is. Now for the website, make sure to add a Twitter. If you're serious about making money, make sure to add a Twitter and maybe Discord, or if you have a Discord server for it. But for the sake of the video, we're not gonna do anything, and that's basically how you do it. Now you'll only need about point 0.1 to point 0.2 depending on if you click on these, but I wouldn't because we don't want to freeze the liquidity or else people won't buy it and other things like that. But you get the gist, right? So let's go over it again. You have to have attention, right? You have to have eyeballs. That's what I like to remember. You have to have a lot of views, likes, traction. Even just a Trump post, a Trump coin will do. I'm telling you, everybody's investing in it, even a Joe Rogan coin. Alright? It just has to have views. Narrative, we have to have a good narrative, right? It has to be like friendly, right? Because I saw a couple of these coins and they were having nudity in it. No one will buy that coin, okay? So keep it friendly. Then it has to look legit, right? That's what I was talking about. It has to have a website. It has to have a Twitter. You can't just have a random coin with a random image. So if this video did help you out, like, sub, comment, share. We're going to be posting more of these types of videos on the channel. This is just the first one. Also, don't mind the videos before. And also remember that it might take a couple tries before having a coin that really picks up, right? You can't just expect your first coin to be your best coin. There's always going to be a better, more improved, more sophisticated thing that you create. So remember that. Peace.